What's up, guys? Got my first unboxing video ever just for you. Alright, so today we have the Sygav 10.2 Android radio for the Evo X. It's the 7.1.1 version. So let's see what's inside the box. So that's it. So the box. It's nice. It's a nice quality box. So with that being said, let's open it. Okay, so we have some instructions and pictures. So not big on the words. Just has notes. Let's see if we can get that to focus or not. So just that's it. That. And that. All right. We have some user manual. I'm gonna take that out. Let's see. User manual. Wiring, your face, what it's gonna look like, all that good stuff. Ooh, movies. So yeah, so basic user manual. Let's get to the cords. And we have cords. So got an antenna, amp outputs, speaker outputs. I'm guessing. Do they have words? They're in Chinese writing. Looks like a USB, the main radio, and another USB of some sort. This is the GPS antenna and a microphone. Cool. And that's it for the wire. This is the one without the Rockford Fosgate. So that comes with the wire. All right. Back to the box, and we have the actual radio. So pull that out. Boom. Take this plastic off so you can see some nice styrofoam right there. Alright, so we have the radio. It's humongous, like humongous. Alright, so it comes with the bezel on, so hopefully we just gotta click it in. And yeah. Got all your spots to plug it into, whatnot. HDMI, wow, HDMI input. It's pretty cool. Fuse, normal stuff. Alright. So, overall of the boxing, I think it was pretty decent. Nice. Nice styrofoam, nice box. It wasn't just thrown in there. I believe it was good. So, I think that ends our video. So, the radio, instructions, user manual, and qualification certificate, and wiring. And that's what you get in the box. Alright, whatever. Didn't record. Alright. Gosh, can't see myself. Alright, thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Also, I will be putting a link in the description for this product. And also, there will be an installation video. So I'll put that in the description as well. So, I believe that's it. Thanks for watching. Simply Modified.